Welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Mystery Cash, and for today I will represent 2-3 projects, so please watch this video until the end, and please watch some of the previous projects, and of course subscribe to the channel and like if you want. So for today I will make a withdraw from MineLab. My old project is here. As you can see, is 4 weeks ago the first video. So for 4 weeks, I have withdraw many times. So I tried to catch a live withdraw, but in Bitcoin is difficult. So let's see what's going on my dashboard. So just I clicked this from 0.5 Bitcoin, and this is my fourth withdraw in 4 weeks. That's mean I withdraw every week. So I have buy just this, and I have earned all of these amounts. So it's not bad, guys, it's not bad. So I will try to catch a live withdraw. As you can see, I have pasted. Sorry, I have no network. I must refresh the page, the platform constantly. But this with MineLab is getting serious. It's not still as you can see, I just posted my withdraw in my address, and they immediately after that send me my transaction ID. But to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is basically a network confirmation, and that goes into your wallet. But immediately you click the withdraw button, the money is on the way. So immediately you get a mail and the transaction ID. But because it's in Bitcoin, this Bitcoin mining site is immediately send you your transaction ID. So, and this Bitcoin mining site is getting involved. Recently is updated and has now have his own app. So MineLab have his own app. So this means your investment is safe. So it's not too late to join. Even if you don't like the platform, there is still the refund button. So not many platforms offer this opportunity to be refunded if you're not satisfied user. So the earnings is basically 3 to 5%, but sometimes it's 7, but the 3% are stable. Just press this cancel button and you will immediately be refunded. So your contract is for 1 year, and invest once and wait all year for withdrawal. So I already have my money back from this Bitcoin mining site, and I'm pretty satisfied. I just invest $30 or 50 or 20, I don't know, but I have withdraw more like a $50 or $60, I don't know. And I'm pretty satisfied and still is not late to join. So this is not a free Bitcoin mining site, and because it's not a free, will be standing for a very long time. So your investment in this Bitcoin mining site is safe. So even if you uh, it's not always the important percentage you earn, but if you count, you have 20 days to back your investment back from this Bitcoin mining site, and after that is 11. You have 11 months and 10 days pure profit until your contract is over. So basically, as you can see, let's go to my wallet to check the if the withdraw is there, but I just press the button. So in Bitcoin is always slow, it's very hard to catch a live withdraw, sorry guys, but I have my transaction. Oh, it's already here. So as you can see, no, it's here, but it's not confirmed yet entirely. No, need 3 confirmations to you can use your Bitcoin, but as you can see, there is no notification here. So I can show you the when this Bitcoin is transferred. So basically I emptied this account, and this is from the mine lab which I just received. Maybe I will find but no, there is no notification, but the withdrawal is from there. And also I have some projects to recommend. I just find that, and so maybe these days I will make a withdrawal from there. And I find this USDT mining platform. Also this USDT mining platform is a good, but here you can start with $10. It's not a free, you get your $5 for free, but you can still earn from your referrals. So they pay, yes, I check everywhere on internet, the platform is working. Just need to invest, to buy a plan and start investing. This is one of my futures platform, and one more I will represent. Wait to find it. Just we have another mine lab, but this is mine lab, not the same mine lab like I made a live withdraw, but also legit. And here you get your 30 bonus for joining. So but with that $30 you cannot do nothing. You can just uh, share your referral code and try to buy a plan. Here on this icon there is a plan. So if you for example, here the earnings is 5% per day, and you have the $30 already. Just need to deposit the 70 and get your 5% every day. And also when the the process is over, all process, I think it's 3 months, you get the $70 back. As you can see, the capital is back and all your profit. And this is basically all new platforms, but they paying. Yes, I check everywhere, and have the awesome support team. As you can see, they already write to you, you're welcome, or how can they help. And I just show you guys the future projects which I will represent in this channel. But if you want to find uh, something who pays, I find in Telegram, I find this bot who pays in Digibyte. You can claim every half hour or every 1 hour your bonus, and you can start inviting people to earn. And just the minimum withdraw is 1 gigabyte. So I already withdraw from this. You can use, I will put a link in description. So this is new, launched today. So just need to paste your Digibyte address from the Trust wallet. Use just Trust wallet, and uh, collect your bonuses every day. And this is it. As you can see, my withdrawal is success. But sometimes you need to wait 10 to 15 minutes to get your money. But I already withdraw from this once. Wait to find my Digibytes, and this is it. This is the Digibyte. So if I don't have so much time, I have just 2 minutes left. If they come the new which I withdraw, so it's not bad. I will put link in descriptions from also from this, also from the all three platforms. But yes, of course, do your own research before do something. Also, you can see the previous projects in the on the my channel. Also, the cube is also is already an legit. You can claim your bounty rewards and withdraw. Also, there is a free airdrops on the simple token and IT token. Don't miss it. IT token will be launched soon. So that was basically all for today. So if you have some question, come to my Telegram group, and we will discuss. I will put links in description. So from my Telegram group, from the Bitcoin platforms, from the USDT platform, mining platform, and yes, that's basically all. Please subscribe to the channel, like if you want, and stay tuned. That's it, guys. Bye.